boys and girls, it's Miss Cooper, and I'm here today to work with you on multi-step number stories, or we also call them word problems. So I know this week you've been working with the other teachers on number stories. Today's going to be a little bit different because multi-step, multi means more than one. If you have multiple pairs of shoes, that means you have more than one. If you have on a multicolored shirt, that means that it's lots of different colors, more than one. So today we're going to talk about multi-step word problems or number stories. A few things I want to talk to you about before we start our lesson today is just a reminder that here at Valley Grove, we use the cube method for when we do number stories. And it's a little hard to see, but each letter in the word cube stands for something. C stands for circling the numbers. U stands for underlining any important words. B stands for box the question, and E stands for eliminate unnecessary information, and eliminate means you get rid of it. So think about those when we're doing that today. So we're going to start today. If you notice, I have up here Stacy's Snack Shack, and I know it's a little difficult to see, so I'm going to help you out, but each one of those snacks at the Snack Shack has a price. And so we're going to start out by, I'm going to zoom in a little bit. And I want you to look at the prices and see if there is something that you could buy 2 packs of if you had 80 cents. So I'll start with an easy one. I know that I could buy 2 packs of cheese sticks because they're only 25 cents. And I know that 2 quarters are 25 and 25. That makes 50 cents. So I could buy 2 packs of cheese snacks. I want you to look again. Think about, could we buy 2 bottles of water? The water is 75 cents. Do I have enough money if I only have 80 cents to buy 2 bottles of water? I hope you said no, because we already know that if we had 5 more cents, it would already be 80. And so we could not buy 2 bottles of water. Let's try another one. Could we buy 2 bags of rice cakes? They're 50 cents each. So I want you to think about that a minute. 50 plus 50. And if we only have 80 cents, could you buy 2 packages of those rice cakes? Right, you cannot buy 2 because 50 plus 50 is $1 and we only have 80 cents. Could we buy 2 granola bars? The granola bars are 40 cents. So could I buy 2 of those? Think just a minute what 40 plus 40 is. I hope you got 80 cents. So we definitely could buy 2 of the granola bars. So that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to do some number stories. So I'm going to set this back up so we can see. All right. And the first problem says this. You buy 2 packages of crackers and 1 package of sunflower seeds. How much money do you spend? So the first thing I'm going to do is cube my problem, and the first thing I'm supposed to do is circle the numbers. So I'm going to circle 2, and I'm going to circle 1. Those are my numbers, okay? The next thing I'm going to do is underline any important words. So I'm going to underline packages of crackers and 1 package of sunflower seeds. Okay, those are important things that I need to know. Oh, and another clue word I'm going to circle is how much money do you spend? How much? That's an important word too. Okay? And then we're going to box the question, which I've kind of already underlined for us, but we're going to box how much money do you spend? Okay? So when we do that, our problem kind of looks like that. It says you can eliminate is E, the last thing. There's really not much to eliminate. So now we're going to solve the problem. 2 packages of crackers. And I'm going to set that down there. I know you can't see it right now, but I will help you out. 2 packages of crackers are, over here in our Snack Shack, 30 cents. So I'm going to write 30 cents and 30 cents. Okay? That's the first thing I'm going to buy. And I remember I'm doing this in steps. So I need to know how much I spent on my crackers first. So let's add. We're going to add 0 plus 0, because remember, how much money did we spend? We want to know how much we spent altogether. So 0 plus 0 is 0, and 3 plus 3 is 6. And when you're working with money, don't forget to bring down the cent sign or the dollar sign, whatever's in the problem. So far we have 60 cents that we've spent. Now we also bought a package of sunflower seeds. So if I look again, sunflower seeds are 60 cents. So I'm going to take my 60 cents that I already spent on crackers, and I'm going to add it to the 60 cents for the sunflower seeds. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 6 is 12. And I bring my cent sign down. 120 cents. And hopefully you also know that if you have 100 cents, 100 cents also equals $1, right? So 100 cents also equals $1. So I could also put that in dollars and cents. I could also say that I spent $1.20, and that would be my final answer. All right, awesome job. Let's try another multi-step word problem or number story. So I'm going to erase my work here, and let's look at problem 2. Problem 2 says, which cost more, 2 packages of mints or 3 packages of cheese sticks? So again, I'm going to start with my cubing. I'm going to circle my numbers. I have 2 and I have 3. Then the next thing I'm going to do is underline any information that I need. 2 packages of mints, 3 packages of cheese sticks. Okay? And then the last thing I want to do, well, one of the last things, is box my question. How much more? So which cost more? Cheese sticks or mints? And we want to know how much more. So this is going to be a few steps. So again, we're going to set that to the side. And we're going to start with 2 packages of mints. And if I look over here on my Snack Shack wall, mints are 35 cents, and I bought 2 packs. So I'm going to do 35 cents plus 35 cents. Okay, I'm going to bring the cent sign down. And then 5 plus 5 is 10. So we're going to put our 0 here and bring the 1 up here. 1 plus 3 is 4. And 4 plus 3 is 7. So 70 cents. I'm going to write right out here to the side, mints. That's how much we spent on mints. So I remember that. Okay? Anytime you're doing, you're showing your work, it's great to write out notes so your teacher knows what you're doing. Show all the work you can. That's being a great student. All right, then the next thing says we're going to buy 3 packages of cheese sticks. So the cheese sticks are over here. They're 25 cents. And I need 3 of them. So I'm going to do 25 cents plus 25 cents plus 25 cents. And I'm going to add those together. Okay, I'm going to bring my cent sign down. I know that I see a whole row of 5s, so I can count by 5s. 5, 10, 15. So 15, carry that 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. And 5 plus 2 is 75. So I've spent 75 cents on the string cheese. Now, I'm not done because it said, which cost more? So we should be able to answer that first question. Which one does cost more, the mints or the cheese sticks? Yeah, I hope you said cheese sticks because the total is more than that one. And then it says, how much more? So if we want to figure out how much more, I'm going to take the bigger number and put it on top, 75. And I'm going to subtract the smaller number because we want to know how much more the cheese sticks cost than the mints. And if I subtract 5 minus 0 is 5, and 7 minus 7 is 0. You can put a 0 there. You can leave it blank. And don't forget your cent sign. So our answer would be that the cheese sticks cost 5 more cents than the 2 packages of mints. All right, we have one more to do. And again, it's super important. Today we've been talking a lot about money, but when you're doing any type of number story, always remember to put the unit. In this, we're working on cents or dollars. If you're talking about how many cats does somebody have, make sure in your answer you have cats or the unit that you're talking about. Otherwise, you won't get the answer right. All right, our last problem that we're going to do today is you buy 5 packs of crackers. There are 2 crackers in each pack. You eat 3 crackers. How many do you have left? Lots of information in this one. So we're going to circle our numbers first. I have a 5, I have a 2, and I have a 3. Okay? The next thing I'm going to do is underline any information. So 5 packs of crackers, and there are 2 crackers in each pack. That's important. And then it's also important that you eat 3 crackers. Okay? And then the last part, or one of the last parts, is to box the question. How many do you have left? Oh, and I'm going to go back. This is another important word we should have done. Left. Do you know anything about math vocabulary words? We know that it says, how many do you have left? That means that we're going to subtract. Okay? So, and we can eliminate words if we want to, like you buy, but we don't really have to do that. So we're going to buy 5 packs of crackers. So I'm going to look for the crackers. There they are. They're 30 cents each. So 5 packs of crackers, and there are 2 crackers in each pack, okay? So you can do this a couple of ways. You can, since we're buying 5 packs and there's 2 in each, we can do 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs of crackers. Okay? So I know that 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 10. We can also count them by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So we know that we have 10 crackers. Now, you can do repeated addition like we just did. If you're feeling really comfortable with multiplication, you also could have written that you bought 5 packs of crackers and there were 2 crackers in each pack, which would make 10 as well. We got the same answer, we just did it 2 different ways. And either one of those would be counted correct from your teacher. Now, we're not finished because we know we have 10 crackers, but we forgot something. We got hungry while we were shopping, and do you remember what? We ate 3 of them. So now we're going to do a subtraction problem. I had 10 crackers, and I ate 3 of them. So 10 minus 3 equals, that's right, 7. Now this is where we have to remember to put our unit. And you always go back to the question. Usually it'll tell you, how many do you have left? How many what do we have left? Yeah, go back up here. Crackers, right? So that should be our unit. So our answer will be 7 crackers. And that is multi-step word problems, going one step at a time, taking a little bit of information at a time and solving it, just like we did here with how many crackers we had, and then us eating 3 crackers and how many we have left. Good luck as you do your work today, and reach out to your teacher if you have questions.